Oh, that looks fine in there. Well, the proper way to light your furnace is just basically get the ends there. Use a paper, Times Herald, doesn't matter. Inquire, and just let it kind of start. See, it catches right before, you know, you start to drop it in, and then you kind of get the switch. You fire it up the switch, right here. There you go. See how the shit's coming out? That's how you know you got a good flame. You know. Hell! It's for children! Hell! Alright, that's the proper way, like the furnace. 1922 specific. There you go. Sponsored by Kane Heating. We pleasure you heat. Yeah, it's an old one. It's a goodie. It's a goodie.